Picture this. You're cruising down the highway when a sudden growling noise starts coming from one of your wheels. Your heart jumps. A wheel bearing might be failing. If it completely gives out, that wheel could even break off your car. We're here to help you spot the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing before that happens. Definition and purpose. A wheel bearing is a small but critical component that lets your wheel spin freely with minimal friction. It's basically a set of steel balls or rollers held in a metal ring inside the wheel's hub assembly. This part supports the load of your vehicle and keeps the wheel rotation smooth and safe. It carries the vehicle's weight and keeps the wheel turning safely. Common symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. Unusual noises. The first symptom of a bad wheel bearing is noise. You'll notice a humming, growling, or rumbling sound coming from one wheel. This noise typically gets louder as your car accelerates and may change or intensify when you turn. It happens because the worn bearing isn't rolling smoothly, causing metal-to-metal grinding. If ignored, the noise will only get worse and more dangerous over time. Steering wheel. Vibration or looseness. Another symptom is a vibrating or loose steering wheel. A failing wheel bearing can make the steering feel shaky and less precise, especially at higher speeds or when cornering. You might notice the steering wheel wobble slightly in your hands or feel loose when you turn. The underlying issue is that the bad bearing allows the wheel to move around on the hub. As it worsens, it can even lead to loss of steering control. Uneven tire wear. A bad wheel bearing can also cause uneven tire wear. When a bearing wears out, its wheel may become slightly misaligned, so the tire on that wheel wears down faster or in an irregular pattern. You might spot one tire with a strange tread pattern or bald spot while the others look normal. This happens because the loose wheel doesn't stay perfectly straight, scrubbing the tire as it rolls. Loose or wobbly wheel. A severely worn wheel bearing can make the wheel itself feel loose or wobbly. If the car is lifted and you rock the wheel back and forth, you'll feel excessive play or a clunking movement if the bearing is bad. In normal conditions, the wheel should be tight with no wobble. A loose wheel is extremely dangerous because the bearing could fail completely in worst cases. The wheel might even detach from the vehicle at high speeds. ABS warning light and brake issues. Finally, watch for dashboard warnings or odd brake behavior. A failing bearing can throw off the wheel speed sensor and trigger the ABS warning light on your dash. You might also experience weak brakes, for example, a soft brake pedal, or longer stopping distances. That's because a loose bearing can let the brake rotor wobble, pushing the brake pads apart and making the brakes feel weak. Quick testing tips. If you suspect a bad wheel bearing, here are a few quick checks you can do at home. Listen during a test drive. Turn off the radio and drive slowly in a quiet area. Listen for any humming or grinding from the wheels. Try steering slightly left and right as you drive if the noise changes when you turn. It can help pinpoint which wheel bearing is bad. Jack up the wheel and rock it. Safely, jack up the car and get the tire off the ground. Grab the wheel at the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock positions and push it in and out. There should be almost no movement. If you feel a clunk or looseness when you rock the wheel bearing is likely worn out. Spin the wheel by hand. While it's lifted, spin the wheel. It should rotate smoothly and quietly. If you hear grinding or feel roughness while it spins, that's a strong sign of a damaged bearing. Don't ignore these warning signs. Driving too long on a bad bearing can cause the wheel to lock up or even come off, creating a very dangerous situation. If you notice any of these symptoms, have your wheel bearing fixed right away for your own safety. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.